Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove and redo or unreconcile transactions in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you've reconciled something incorrectly or need to update transaction details after the fact. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button and enter your Xero credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your accounting dashboard without any delays. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, look for the accounting option in the main navigation menu and click on it. This section houses all your financial records and account management tools, which is exactly where we need to be for this task. Next, under the accounting menu, click on Bank Accounts. This will display a list of all the bank accounts you've connected to Xero. Find and open the specific bank account that contains the reconciled transaction you want to change. It's important to select the correct account to avoid confusion later on. Once you're viewing the bank account, you'll see a list of transactions. Click on the transaction row that you need to modify. This will bring up the transaction details, giving you a closer look at what's been reconciled. Now look for the Options button within that transaction view and click on it from the menu that appears. Select Unreconcile. This action will unlink the bank line from the ledger entry, essentially reversing the reconciliation you previously completed. After you've clicked Unreconcile, take a moment to verify that the bank line now shows a reconciled status of unreconciled in the bank feed view. This confirmation is crucial because it tells you the transaction has been successfully unlinked and is ready to be edited or re-reconciled. Now head back and find the same transaction again in the Account Transactions list. Click on the transaction row once more, and this time you'll have a choice. You can choose Remove and Redo if you need to delete the entry entirely and recreate it with the correct details. Alternatively, if you simply want to relink the transaction later without deleting it, you can choose Unreconcile again. If you selected Remove and Redo, Xero will prompt you to re-enter the correct transaction details. Follow these prompts carefully, making sure all the information is accurate this time. Once you've entered the new details, save the reconciliation. This creates a fresh entry that reflects the correct information. Finally, verify the new reconciliation by returning to the bank account and checking that everything looks correct. The transaction should now be properly reconciled with the accurate details you've entered. And there you have it, you've successfully unreconciled and redone a transaction in Xero, giving you full control over your financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.